is totally our song.
Why are you looking at my feet? I hate feet. They're so gross. I'm not decent right now. That's our food. We're fatty.
This song's gay.
Yep.
I'm the most now. You want to listen to Elvis Presley?
Sure. He's a host rocker.
Isn't he? In the air. That used to always scare like the kajeebies out of me when that started. I used to always like take a spaz attack.
Why? Why?
I don't know, it was just surprising.
Oh, hot dang. This is not
Those are my toes, I just painted them.
Feet are disgusting. Get it over here.
These are disgusting.
Where's my feet?
I like this color. It's pretty.